What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Gad Talks. Today we are going to be taking a first look at the L5 Smartwatch fitness tracker. This watch goes from anywhere between $35 to $50 depending on the website and the seller they choose to get it from. I will be having my affiliate link in the video description below, so if you guys do want to purchase this watch after this video, you guys can use my affiliate link and I will earn a commission and no extra cost to you. And if you guys have not yet already, you guys can subscribe to my channel as I will be coming out with new regular videos on the latest reviews on gadgets, electronics, and smartwatches, so make sure not to miss out on that. And now let's begin today. This is the L5 Fitness Tracker smartwatch. It's a very recent smartwatch that came to the market, and it comes and is manufactured in China. This watch has got, the standard silicone band, and it's got quite a bit of a unique case. It's got a big case, metallic feeling, premium feeling, so it does not feel like it's actually, under $50. You get the details on the case itself, and it functions with 2 buttons and touchscreen. So, that's a plus because for something under $50 and it works through a touchscreen, that's going to be easy to actually just plug and play. This watch also uses a 2-pin magnetic charger right here. And it also has a fitness sensor, so you know that it at least has a heart rate monitor. Now let's begin and see some of the essential functions on this watch. Okay. This is the home watch screen, which looks very nice. I have not seen a watch screen like this. It's got different sections, but it seems very easy to actually read. Let's long press this screen and see if we can actually change some of the watch faces, which looks like we could. How many watch faces does this watch have? Looks like, just a handful, but that's still pretty nice that you have choices on the watch face. So this is another one. Does not look as intuitive as the first one. Let's try this one. This one's kind of cool too, but it looks very cluttered. I like the first one a lot more. Just got everything in sections. I think this one's fine as well. I just don't know what these numbers stand for, so I think the first one is the most intuitive. It's got your distance, your calories, your steps, your day, and your date, time. Okay, now let's check out some of the functions. This one's steps, calories, multi-sport mode. It looks like it's in Chinese here, so you might actually want to look into switching the language. This watch is multilingual. This is your heart rate, sleep, stopwatch, music player. It looks like more. Let's see. So you have your anti-loss right here. I can read some Chinese, but it'll be great if I can actually go through the settings and see I can switch over the language itself. When you do get a default language on your watch other than English, do you want to look through the instruction manual so you can actually adjust it to your home language. Okay, let's see if we can actually check the heart rate monitor here. Let's put this on and see how it looks itself. Okay, so this is how it looks on a wrist. It's a very nice watch. It's just big enough to fit a guy. This is a guy's watch, that's for sure. It's got a very big face. One other thing that this watch also has, it looks like a flashlight. So that's with the second button right here. So I guess it helps at night that you have a flashlight. So you can kind of just point out your light like this. And can get some kind of illumination. I'm sure that will help if you're like out there in the wilderness or something. Or if you just don't have a better light. Now let's see if we can actually get a heart rate monitor reading here. So that was very easy to actually just go through the heart rate monitor. You don't need to double press or long press anything. Well, let's see if that's true. I think I just turned it off. This is the on-off button. Let's see if we can get something. I don't like how it doesn't have like a countdown button for your heart rate monitor, so you can actually... Okay, there you go. So in the 70s range, I would say that's pretty accurate. You know, according to what I know from the chart. And after just having some coffee. So 60s, 70s, I could rely on the reading like that. When you do get a heart rate reading, you do want to cross-reference that with something that you can rely on before trusting it any further. Because I think from watch to watch, it could fluctuate quite a bit. Okay, so I could trust this. At least the initial reading of 70-something. Let's see what other features are available for us to use right here. Can you sleep? This is your watch function, your timer. You also have a music player too, so that's a pretty good function for a watch that's under $50. We're not gonna try this on right now, but I know that's there. You have your sun turret reminder, alarm. I guess the most important function right here would be to actually switch over the language. So when you do get a this watch, do you want to read through the instruction manual just in case you don't understand Chinese? Luckily, I can read some Chinese, so you know, at least I can improvise. But that's it for the short review on this watch. For something that's about, you know, $35 to $50, I would have hoped that at least came with a blood pressure monitor too. Even though that would be a great bonus. Even though for a lot of watches, you know, you might not get the blood pressure monitor. But it would have been nice to have it, especially for a nice looking watch like this. It seems like it just has almost everything I need. It's got a very smooth interface. And it's got a very nice look to it as well. You know, you got some, you know, carbon fiber looking. I'm not sure if it's real carbon fiber, but it just looks great. So I would have expected to have some more premium features, just like the blood pressure monitor. It does have gesture control, it seems like, so that's a plus. So that means when you just wave your hand, the watch would come on without having you press any buttons. The flashlight's also pretty cool, even though it's, you know, it's super extra. You don't know if this is gonna come into use at all. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.